This is a room tour of room 3505 at Circa Las Vegas. And a very nice room it is too, as you would expect for a brand new property. So as you come in, basically everything in terms of the lights is here. You can either say hi or bye and it turns everything off. So you can do your privacy, night light service, etc. Your entry mirror, you can switch that on and off as well. So here you have your closet space. You've got a steamer there and a safe. And what I like about, well, a Circa as a whole, but this room particularly, is some of the little sort of retro touches to a brand new resort. You've got his and her sinks in the bathroom. But it's like, you know, this is the the wallpaper. It's just really cool. And then your toilets around there. And a massive walk-in shower here. So you can actually have a seat at if you like. And all your lotions and what have you come out of those bottles on the wall there. Great shower, great pressure. So going into the main area here, you've got a fridge for your own stuff. A massive telly, which I'll be honest, I haven't actually put on since I've been here. And then a seating area. Pretty cool picture as well. Now you don't actually have a phone in this room because everything is done on the tablet. So you can order room service, phone people from the tablet. That's pretty much how it works. And all of your charge points, plug points are there. And next to the bed again, you've got, so again, if I put bright, everything will go on. Very comfy bed. I've just made it because I'm checking out, so it would be made much nicer than that, but I've done my best. Seat over here. A nice shot of Vegas Vicky's backside. And this is a strip view room. So that's not bad. That's not a bad view, is it, eh? That really isn't a bad view. And actually, if you could go down, you can also see Stadium Swim from here. Very nice, huh? So yes, I'm very pleased with this. Thank you very much to Richard Wilk, who put me up for the last 2 nights here. I've got nothing but good things to say about Circa. It's I actually didn't think it would, but it's actually exceeded my expectations. So as soon as you get back to Vegas, head here. Speak to you soon.